न्यू गव्हर्नर मिस्टर गजपती राजू हांच्यांनी आज चार्ज घेतलो. हांव खरोखरूच तेंचे गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन आनी गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन खूब खूब स्वागत करता. तेंचो वास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स आशिल्लो गव्हर्नन्सान आनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव एक्सपिरियन्स तेंचो खरोखरूच आमकां उपयोगी ठरतलो. तांच्या मार्गदर्शनाच्या सकयल काम करपाक म्हाकाय खूब आवडटलें. आज परत एकदां शपथविधी जाल्या उपरांत हांव तांचें खूब खूब गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन स्वागत करता.
I'm delighted to be in Goa. I'm delighted to swear by the Constitution of India to serve. We are people of our country, but Goans in particular. And we all work as a team. So I'm really delighted, and we are associated with Goans. I don't know the local language though, but this is my first assignment in these type of offices. I'm looking forward to work with you rather. For you is a very mild terminology, but work with you, because if you don't work with the government, the people, if they don't work with the government, our democracy will become in peril. So we don't want that type of a situation. We want everyone to work unitedly, and when we unite, we are second to none in the world. So my appeal to everyone is, let us work and make India second to none.